Our circle leader, Ms. Maya Trumagera. The sub-leader, Mr. Rai Bebel. And the members are Teresa, Rodney, Tess, Mitch, Rachel, and yours truly, Grace. Our advisor who support us,
Mr. Efren Puma and Mr. Peace, John Lloyd Bariwan. The new generation 5.
The number one major plastic company in the ASEAN market, and to be the number one automotive parts company in the Philippines.
To help us realize our vision and to achieve customer satisfaction, we introduce 4 manufacturing policies, and these are
3M,
3M,
3S
and 3Z.
Combining these 4 activities will result to
maximum output that lead us to customer satisfaction.
This is the layout of sub-assembly line. Speedo ASI, tachometer ASI, and gauge assembly line.
And our point of interest,
odometer sub-assembly process.
This is how we select our team based on overall in-process defect performance when process defect did not achieve the target.
As you can see to our data, our target is 0.30%, but the result is 1.09%. Odometer sub-ASI has the highest contribution in sub-ASI overall in process defect.
our group decided to
concentrate on offset odometer defect reduction.
So, what is a trip odometer?
Is a reset at any point in a journey, making it possible to record the distance traveled in any particular journey.
These are assembly process. Color A press fitting, number roll assembly, color B press fitting, gear caulking, odometer heat caulking, support flow, and knob ASI.
Here are the top 5 odometer defects, namely offset odometer, not inserted pin, wrong ASI, missing spring, and missing knob.
Offset odometer has the highest contribution. It contributed by 75%. So,
Focus on offset trip odometer.
And by this, we set our target from 98 pieces down to 46 pieces to achieve 53% reduction.
With this problem, we plan our schedule of activities using PDCA.
We organized the group from April up to August 2010.
What is the function of offset trip odometer?
the trip meter may be used to record the distance traveled on each tank of fuel, making it very easy accurately track the efficiency of the vehicle.
And how about the effect of offset trip odometer?
The trip odometer can be removed from the dash, opened up, and manually reset.
As you pointed out, it would be illegal if you use the altered number to mispresent the village to a potential buyer.
If you attempt to sell your vehicle, it brings up loss to the car tax. So, you pretty much have to disclose the village is broken or changed. Having a broken or incorrect odometer will make a potential buyer wary of you and will lower the value of your car.
How important is the trip odometer?
Trip odometer has a high functional importance in speedometer related to safety and quality.
By checking our current condition, KSET model is the highest contributor of offset odometer.
We use check sheet for the location of offset. As a result, many times happen on fourth number roll portion.
As you can see, offset happened mostly on zero count.
So,
Let's concentrate on zero count of KSET model.
Our group conduct process investigation on odometers of ASCII.
Genba,
Color D press kit, cannot find offset, not completely assembled.
A support flow process of final visual found offset odometer.
Genbutsu,
Disassembly check good parts versus engine parts.
For good parts, color pivot,
Okay!
flame,
okay,
Actual engine part number 1, color pivot.
okay.
Before plate, no good!
confirmed, parts problem,
Inform DNJ before the plate.
Actual engine part number 2, plate.
Okay!
Color pivot bended.
No good!
why bended,
Let's simulate the process.
Genjitsu,
Engine condition, simulate press fit using bended pivot.
Color B press fit, no detection alarm by machine with bended pivot. Press fit bended pivot by color B press machine.
Yes, duplicate offset odometer.
but why?
Found 2 possible causes of bending pivot. And these are high speed setting and loose flow receiving jig.
Our group summarized our findings. We conduct brainstorming using the fishbone diagram and found 11 possible causes of offset odometer.
Again, we deeply analyzed the 11 possible causes of upsetting odometer. In order to get the root cause, all members agree by voting to prioritize the two method factors.
And these are very fast speed of breastfeeding and use screw of jig.
Then, we made our plans of activities. To take action in this plan, we start our activity from April up to August.
And our group agreed to
Prioritize the collar breastfeed machine.
What is a collar bee breastfeed machine?
It's a machine to breastfeed the collar to the pivot through pressing punch driven by pneumatic cylinder.
And what is the mechanism of collar B breastfeed machine?
Pneumatic cylinder is used to press the collar to pivot by downward motions and return by upward motion.
And also, the speed controller used to adjust the downward breastfeed force through pressure and control by speed.
speed measured by time number of seconds.
For process investigation, finding number 1,
Bend and pivot after breastfeeding of collar B.
Why?
Because actual breath speed is 1.5 per second, so bending happens when the speed of breath is fast.
But why?
Because it's not mentioned the speed of breastfeeding on PCS.
For the conclusion,
non-standard speed for breastfeeding of collar B.
For countermeasure of finding number 1,
We adjust the speed from 1.4 seconds to 2.5 seconds.
Then, they include the standard speed on PCS, so
PE conduct capability test to prove that the countermeasure is within the standard. Then the result,
we eliminate bended pivot after breastfeed.
For process investigation, finding number 2,
bend and pivot after breastfeeding of collar B.
Why?
because have movement during breastfeeding.
But why?
Because have gap on screw.
Why?
non-lock washer to completely tighten the jig.
For the conclusion,
Non-lock washer to completely tighten the jig.
For the countermeasure of finding number 2,
MNT add lock washer to completely tighten the screw and prevent it to loose. Therefore,
No more loose screw after putting lock washer.
For the result of countermeasure, after adjusting the speed and putting lock of washer, we verify the result. From 98 cases of set odometer, reduced 50% reduction.
What? 50% reduction? Still not achieve the target.
let's check the process.
why still have a bended pivot?
Let's check again the process.
during our activity, one of us shake on the line heard an unusual noise during breastfeeding.
Immediately, line leader checked the machine and confirmed there is a noise coming from the machine.
Then, all members together with the MNT disassemble the jig.
There's a strong impact of odometer as into jig and found no bottom support of parts into jig.
Important conclusion,
Metal to metal contact parts and jig.
But how can we prevent a strong impact?
One day, one of our
Hindi
activity
pampasaye. Natin.
kasama the canteen.
Mare, until now, we didn't fix our bended pivot at Sapasi.
We have new breastfeed jig and final ASI too. Maybe you can get some information there.
Check breastfeed jig, break window ASI, and found rubber protection with jig.
Let us the support of PE and MNT.
fabricate in-house rubber support.
Then, we can lock fire test and sample. As a result, we can use DMM rubber support and we can change rubber support every 1,500 shots.
For the result of countermeasure,
After putting the rubber support to jig, a better result was seen. From 49 pieces down to 1 piece, 98% reduction.
Therefore,
Target achieved!
and we standardize our countermeasure for check manual, include checking of set odometer and highlights the feature.
for process control sheet,
Indicates on PCS the standard speed of breastfeeding of collar B.
For JIS,
Put rubber support at the jig to the metal jig to avoid metal-to-metal contact.
for tangible benefits, we have a total savings of 0.81 million pesos in a year.
Wow! Congratulations! And for intangible benefits,
Galing ng mga ano
we improve the following aspects.
problem-solving skills,
High morale!
Commitment to quality circle.
Awareness and safety and quality improvement.
And group teamwork! And we increased by 64%. And for our next project, line efficiency and productivity improvement.
Thank you and good luck to all circle competitors.
once again, we are